Diba? Okay. Ready? Practice muna. Practice muna.
Game na!
Game na. Dapat sumasayaw daw ng shake-shake habang Okay, okay. Ready? Sayaw! Go! Hello guys! Hello guys! Party tayo na. Okay. I want to mag-balance at 5, 3 young leads! Go! Masagod kayo ng drink! O yan. O, be honest ha, kasi hindi ko kayo monitor. O, sino yung out na? Upo na, yung out na. Thank you. Yung more than or less than 3, upo na. Okay. O, ready? O, huwag masyadong yumakap sa katabi. O, I want to mag-dance and 5, 10 young leads! O, 10 lang dapat ha, 10. Sila ito, 10. Ito. Sila. 10. So, tayo bukas mo tayo matabalas ito. Ay, yung ito po na ha. Dalilis! Ayaw mo na yung anta. I want to mag-balance and 5, 15 friends! 15 lang yun! 15 ay! Magbilang kayo! Magbilang! 15 papa! 15! Ako lang pa rin!
Dahil pag na naman, tapos na yung game.
Ayan, thank you! Yung out na. Salamat! Ayan. Ben, take over. Dito kaya yung 15. Dito. Okay, ready? I want to mag-balance at 15. 6 young Okay, you out na. Thank you. Yung dalawa. Dapat tatlo. Kahit picture kayo kanina, pag dalawa na out. Okay. O, bitaw-bitaw na po. I want to mag-balance at 5, 8 young leads! Thank you. Wala na lang ha. Ready? I want to mag-balance at 5, 3 young leads! 3 lang, 3. Sige, ayan. 3. O yan, si Kuya yung hot na purple. Okay, next! I want to mag-balance at 5, 4 young leads! Ayan. Ay, puro batang mama Ayaw ba